Kasi Irman Higher Secondary School Mynta kanti kala banlai bha habi day but ka exam HSSLC blapania de ka make clear board of school education ha ka commerce stream but science stream habi yo pene kran but ka tumut ki khna puli jong ka tay ka school klibin paw chukman ka khra hadien bikle yo pan khay yo so jong ka jingjap namar pa ka jitre stam ki kala long nakleng kinong hikai but ki mi pa yo tay khna ro klibin paw sarong pa ki khna jong ki ba hikai kila poy ka tay ka kardan nakaleng principal jeng tiga school apa tahu jeng kan ke bakra bat lo ongro bak school mata kan tiga la pa ne bhasha ke pe Nujor bat kiwei pat stempelan sisu nakaleng ju la kan turu ikiwei pat isamla ke bakin nang la ban ne bhas sisu khnang bak school kan la ban ki se prang
Kita godin ko nangri te nang pas na ka science stream hi nang ni te ngayo ka second position te ngayo distinction haboro subjects
tipila am patai kin
tinga so long comment bhai ya kata but ni kong e kwa ai ngu show you blame ni kong e bo klam ka jing rap ju but klam ka jing sai ju ngam thai ngan position e bang poi mata but aji ko por nga ai ngu so comment ba dan ni pa bala ya rap ni ha ba ai min sim nga dan ni kap nga hieng sam janga but aji ko por ya kan ka institution ya kan ya por kinang kai kila support ba janga na du basdang hi but aji ko por ki porlok na dang sidang hi la dan ni kat nga bala ya rap nga
kai ka ji nadu box ki pa pi stang ka jing puli hadu pi de kun exam kai ka ji khmil ti ka jong pi
nadu basdang hi bala join in class 11 ti nga dan hi ka jing thmu ban penyo in class 12 ban penyo desbit ban kong but ngaru ningkong hajung class 10 ru pass ya metric nga stang indiat hi ban poi halism jang ka top 20 ti nga miss no kumba hajung marks ai tamba hajung kham ai ya ta bakan kan stop ya ma ban kiu sha khamat ti nga dang trai stom shu nang tu but kum tu but kini Snem ba irap kino hinkai ban dang stom ti na kadaw ngala ban poi mata sini but kani determination jangar kala penlong nga bangan drive shi khamat ma bangan kiu shi phang bet tu shi khamat ti ha por jing irap jing kino hinkai but I support jang ki mo ngala la ban poi ni baki dan kat but ha por baki irap yang ada di badan income
nang ni sama pada bit kai ka jing thungu bidan ban le pat
ko ban jang ke engineering te computer science engineering ata te mentang adang sidap kini GE mains ngadang mentang adang prepare se kini advance te kutu hi dari bangala ban pass ke advance mentang pursue yang engineering ki IITs
te pila am patai halo ra kini ji pikre
jong preparation jang ka porlong school kum te ngam de yo than hi ban krakot bang hab tuitions te ha ka por hab ndap ki assignments ki work ki boyo school ti at least pan nga try ban bu kuntu like kanta at least ban yo create ya maths physics but chemistry ti tamba kita ni ki por long school bang la ban bu por ban yo create tamba jadi ki sni por team te te ngale ban create bi kuntu por sni kat bo yo por ti hot ban just ko important ba hi tamba nga try ban maximize ya ko por jang mo bo ji ko por create ko bin tu kumba spo kanta ne ting ka tam spo kanta but can you winter break shoot trish tam bit crab tam you spoken ta
nalor ka jipli nalor ka jing krek ko pi fidan plat ki kam pile train fidan ki kam pat
em nothing prepare bit mata ya ki studies ngalong focus bit ya ki studies
te kai pat fidan ka noksa ban ai ki wei pa ki khana la ban wan chakmat kumni
te ki ba kwa ban ong ba kalong kadang kam ba fin plan pa ahead ba the plan pa ahead fla poi pa shikmat fla dan pa fla long pa ahead of majority of the students te haji ko por consistency kalong very important kata tin la yo snow bhai but jing trishtam but haji ko por smart work so very important bengin nang kun bengin te but haji ko por ni dan doubts ni ding kam ban ni clean ni no kai men clear ki doubts ni but ni ban snap it mo ki bagi no hikai ki ai advice bara na dang shtam ki jing hikai jing ki ba ki kham tip bhai ni mo but ki advice jing ki ru kalong kai rap ni bengin ki shikmat ti kalong kata hi bengin ni nang trish tam shishu but ha for non consistent
Edward Polong Lamari from Snem School Science stream and I attained the 9th position in MBOS 2024.
So could you tell us how do you feel after achieving the ninth position?
I mean, I'm really happy. My teachers have always been telling me like I have the potential, so I'm happy that I lived up to that potential.
So could you explain to us about how was your preparation and how many hours did you spend studying? And apart from that,
What usually
what were the
do?
difficulties that you were facing and how did you overcome all that?
So I studied around during holidays. It was 15 hours, and if it was during school days, I would try to get at the most 6 hours, or least would be 3 hours. I would wake up very early in the morning, at least 3 o'clock. Then during school, I would come early, 30 minutes to study in school. After that, it was coaching. Then I'll study there a little bit as well. And difficulties I faced was mobile, number one. Besides that, honestly, nothing else. It's just mobile. Watching YouTube and everything. Then I would say the preparation was simple but difficult. All you need to do is listen to your teachers and study. Even if it's a little bit every day, try to do it every day and pray to God. Probably be doing BSc honors maths. That's it. And I did need also, but I don't think I'll make it this year, so I'll be attempting it again next year.
So do you have any kind of words of encouragement for the other youths?
Yes. So listen to your teachers. That's the most important, I would say. Most of the year, class 11, I didn't listen to my teachers. I did very badly. Class 12, I started listening. I did very well. So shout out to all my teachers, Miss Florence, Miss Stefisha, who's here, your brother as well, and also have friends who motivate you. If you have good friends, you will reach high places. So shout out to Sami Kongla, to Arki Bansan, all my friends.
I'm from Matong, and I secured the fourth position in the SSLC examination in the commerce stream.
So how do you feel after getting the fourth position in the commerce stream?
I am extremely happy as all my hard work, also my teachers, and the hard work they were fruitful. So yeah, and I thank God for everything, and my teachers, my parents, and also my friends for motivating me every time.
So will you tell us about your preparation? How was your preparation and what were the difficulties that you faced during the preparations for this exam?
I had a routine, so I followed it. During the school days, I studied for maximum around 3 hours if I get the time, and during the holidays, I'll be studying for around 5 to 6 hours.
So were there any difficulties that you had to face during those times, especially during the preparation?
Yeah, but my teachers were there to help me, so they helped me ease the difficulties. It's not that much.
So what are your plans after this?
I'll be pursuing my BCom, and I'll be doing my CA after this.
Kung kinuhikay ta kada kajing achievement, the biggest achievement as teachers. Hindi tang mga bago kinuhikay kini, but kinuhikay bumhikay ro kini. Who's part of this institute, we feel extremely proud today.
Because you pick aging siam ko jong.
Ni kum kinuhikay tingi juyo i ki potentials jong ki kana. But ni ju share ro ka ju i kana. Namar ba kadan ka potential ni dan kam ban instruct bhai ki. We can now focus, we can now determine bawa si Snem. Te kata hingi le but ni kemen hadu kata-kata nama ba kisngap kita but kilong kum bi dena kita but ang kajing trash tong juki.
Ato pi community try ki bukini o kajinu so.
Hawa kum ni kinohikay te ni tapi ke potentials yung kini kana te ni ra don make expectation na do D1 te kam long that hot kemen pala ni result ang ba kalong ro bang la yo ilu kalau bang la expect ya kani ka result na kini na ba kuma fi igi de kina ibu trash tang hadu rata, so it was very much expected and kalong ro
really happy and I feel really great about the fact that he has secured fourth rank in the list, and it's not something that is unpredictable. We knew that Ryan would make it to the list. He's been always sincere and disciplined with his work, and when a student does, in the classroom only you can sense what a student is capable of, and we could sense Ryan's performance from day one itself. We are really happy.
yang jungi kum kimi pahi di na song plat chibun e ba ni ba kun jungi mta ba wana kadang ka ba ar ni top 10 jungi science ti aku ye dan kau nak yang jungi hi ting ai ku de en kong sha bi yo try kan rat hi ba ai ya kan ka bor ba la yo ba la ni le ya kan exams ba ya kan ka second position ti kata hi di ai ku ru ya kinong hikai ki ba tristom ai ka jing kai nang ta ju kum ju ru ye kini ki tungi no hikai ki ba sim tuition yu ni ai ku rangi kita ru di kini hi ki ba rakit kya na kanta ki ba ai men sim motivate yu ku ba position ni ka position second position
Cricket SLC examination.
Today is a very special day for us in St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School because some of our students have made us very proud. They have rewarded us with good results. They are now rank holders, both in commerce as well as science. I am familiar with all these students. I have interacted with them during the year, so I know them, some of them personally, and I feel very proud that they have reached this milestone in their life, that they are rank holders at a very young age. I'm sure as they proceed with higher education, their further studies, they will work hard and bring a lot of rewards, not only to themselves, to their family, and also to the institution. I would also like to thank all our teachers who have worked extremely hard in preparing these students, all students in fact. I deeply appreciate their hard work and commitment to St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School and to all our students. In fact, I am proud to say that we have a fantastic set of teachers in the school who work in a very dedicated way to bring the best out of these students. I thank you, the press, for giving us this time, coming and interviewing our teachers, our students, and also making time for me. Thank you. Actually, I've not had the time today to look at all the results. I also had a period of class with the science students, and there were other things that I had to attend to. Admission is also going on at this moment, but I've got information from the office that we've got very good results compared to previous years, and this year we've also got ranks in the science stream, so we're very proud of this achievement.
So brother,
Yes, definitely words of encouragement. In fact, after we got the results, I went to class 12 Science A for my own class in English, and I announced to them the rank holders, and I also encouraged them and told them that you have a big job to do during the course of this year and give us good results in 2025. Some of them were smiling, but I'm sure many of them would work hard and give us their best this year and give us good results next year again.